In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Notion. We're going to start right inside Notion, using a database as the foundation for our form. Forms in Notion work by connecting questions on a form to properties in a database. So first, open the database where you want your form responses to be saved. This could be an existing database, like a feedback tracker or a simple table you've already set up, or a brand new one you've just created. Once your database is open, look toward the top of the page for the area where Notion shows different views, like table, board, or calendar. Here, you'll see an option that lets you add or change how you view this database. Click on the highlighted control in this area to open up the view options. In the list of view types, you'll see one dedicated to forms. Click on the highlighted form option to start creating a new form view connected to this database. Notion will then give you a quick way to set up a basic form based on the properties you already have. Next, click on the option that says Create 3 questions. This tells Notion to automatically build a starting form using 3 of your existing database properties. It's a quick way to get a simple form up and running without building everything from scratch. Once the form is created, you'll see a preview of it. From here, we'll fine-tune the questions. Click on the first highlighted area on the form, which represents one of your questions. This opens the settings for that specific question, where you can adjust things like the label and whether it's required. Now, click on the next highlighted area to adjust another question. You can rename questions to make them clearer for people filling out the form, and you can make sure each one lines up with the type of information you want to collect. Continue by clicking on the next highlighted element so you can review and refine each question in turn. This is where you shape the form to match your exact use case, like signups, surveys, or internal requests. Then, click on the small highlighted control that lets you change the property type for a question. From the list that appears, choose Number. This is useful if that particular question should only accept numeric values, such as a budget, a rating, or a quantity. Finally, click on the remaining highlighted areas to confirm your changes and review the form layout. Once you've done that, your Notion form is ready to share and start collecting structured responses directly into your database.